right? You have to convert the double angle into single angle.
Yeah, and it's cos 2a. You miswrote.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm, okay, you don't need to remember this tan 2a because it's just tan a plus a, right? Which you know it is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, someday they can, actually things like 1 plus cos theta is like a lot heavily used. So, 1 plus cos theta you can write with the help of this. So it would become what? 2 cos square theta by 2, right? You have to convert the double angle into single angle.
Yeah, and it's cos 2a. You miswrote.
Yeah. No, what are you asking?
You wrote cos a equal to cos square a minus sin square a.
Yes, so cos is equal to all of these four things. That means all of these four things are equal
No,
in itself.
cos 2a is equal to.
So sorry. Mhm. I'm sure you have seen things like these where you have to manipulate this. So you can, obviously you can, one way is out that cos 2 is this. So using that you can write, or you can like write it like 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus theta, then use 1 plus cos theta formula. So you're like
Or
basically
sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 whole square.
what?
We can even write it as sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 whole square.
Yeah, very good. Mm, are you wait, sine theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2. So 1 plus, correct. Hmm. Okay. Okay. How would you write tan square theta by 2? So for that we can do it like sine square theta by 2 upon cos square theta by 2. Now sine square theta by 2 would become 1 by 2 1 minus cos theta, and this would become 1 by 2 1 plus cos theta using that double angle cos 2a only. So that means tan square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Uh, you don't need to remember this. I mean, for bit set and all, you should remember this. But naturally, you don't, because you can just write it. Just know how you have to convert this into like this, and then you can write it yourself. Sine 60 degree minus a, sine a, sine 60 degree plus a. That is 1 by 4 sine 3a. Similarly, if this is with cos, it would be 1 by 4 cos 3a. And if it is with tan, it would be tan 3a. Because it's like you're dividing it, right? You're dividing the first two.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, then we have a product series of cos a, cos 2a, cos 2 square a, all the way up to cos 2, because it's 2 0, so like that, so it's 2n minus 1 a. And yeah, we have this. So how you can remember is like, the answer is 2 into number of terms, 2 power, sorry, into sine a, sine 2 power n of a. Uh, or a better way is to learn it like sine of smallest angle that you see. The smallest angle here would be a, and then sine of 2 times of largest angle that you see. So largest angle is 2 power n minus 1. If you multiply that by 2, it would be 2 power n times a. So remember it like this, right? Because if you remember it like this, and I give you
Mm.
a product series like say cos a by 2 all the way till cos a by 2n. Now, what would be the answer of this product? and it's cos a by 2 squared like that. So 1 by 1 it's decreasing, right? So
Yeah.
here, tell me one thing. What is the largest angle that you see here? Is it this?
Cos a by 2. A by 2.
Correct. Correct. Because it's in division, so obviously small. This would be the largest. Okay, so now it becomes sine 2 into a by 2. How many terms do you see? So it is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, all the way till 2 power n. So it's n number of terms. Then sine of
Mm.
smallest angle would be this. So a by 2n. This is the answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Now few values I would say, if you can remember, it's good. Okay, tell me one thing. How would you find if you have this much data? How do you find sine 36 degree? I mean, you can do a lot of things, right? You can do sine 90 minus 54.
I'd probably do 1 minus cos square 36 degrees.
Yes, that is the best. Huh. And after this, whatever you need, for example, sine 15 you need. So sine 45 minus 30 degree, right? That you don't need to remember, I would say. Remember these much. These much are necessary.
Yeah, I'll just write them down. Yeah, done.
Okay, actually, you know one more thing. You know, there's a very good way how this we found out. So let this be theta. We know theta into 5 is 90 degree. This is some standard thing. Okay. What we did was this becomes 5 theta. We know 2 and 3's, right? So we wrote this like this and brought 3 theta to this side. Now we took sine of it, sine both sides, and then we solved and we got it. Okay. Okay, so simplification sometimes you might need to do. For example, a sine x plus b cos x, you know how to do this, right? Convert this into auxiliary angle, right?
Could you just repeat?
For example, if you have to simplify sine x plus cos x, so you know how to simplify this, right? This coefficient 1, coefficient 1. So multiply by root 2 and divide by root 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know this. Now write this in terms of sine a plus b, cos a plus b, sine a minus b, cos a minus b, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, if you have to simplify this, so what you should do here is convert everything into, I would say, single angle.
Sine. Yeah.
So you can write sine square x as 1 by 2, not single angle, double angle. This would be what? 1 by 2, 1 minus cos 2x. This would be 1 by 2, 1 plus cos 2x. And sin x into cos x would be what? 1 by 2 sin 2x.
Mm-hmm.
You know what will happen after this? Everything would be in terms of sin 2x and cos 2x, right? So now you
Yeah.
can again use this thing because we have the argument same, x sin x cos x. Okay. Is this correct? Cos square x is 1 by 2 1 plus cos 2x.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's say you have to simplify something like sin x plus cos x plus sin x cos x. So here we use that idea which you said. We can do one thing. Let t as sine plus cos. So this becomes t, right? And now we square it. So it becomes 1 plus sc by 2. Is this correct or wrong? Sorry. Wait. Does it become 2sc, right? It becomes 2sc.
Yeah.
So now we can write this as what? T square minus 1 by 2 and this as t. So you're having a quadratic. That's what you need for the whatever you are asked to do. Also, one more thing. As I told you long back, it's a good practice if you do substitution, right? Always, if possible, if necessary, try to write its restricted, updated
Yeah.
range
Yeah. I
t.
know.
Huh? So
You
now,
told me.
if my t is s plus c, that means the range of t is this, right? So this quadratic that we will get is in a restricted domain.
Also, I was hoping we could take up questions for this from like IIT.
IIT. Okay, I'll take that towards the end.
Yeah, because there were some good questions.
Okay. So for example, here, anything they can ask. For example, if they ask something like this to you, 1 plus sine 2a. So we know we can write this thing as what? This, correct? And if they
Yeah,
ask this, so we can write this as,
that's how I remembered the identity for like 1
I
plus sine
know.
theta, because
Practice maths regularly, but still don't improve. Because the same mistakes keep repeating, and no one tracks them. In exams, this turns into confusion and blank moments. With one-to-one mentoring, every mistake is corrected, and real improvement begins.